Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about an updated curly hair routine that I just started doing recently using all non-toxic and safe products. I reached out to this brand right here, Evolve, after doing some research after the whole Devacurl scandal and after learning about the issues with Devacurl and also realizing what my hair had been going through was caused by those Devacurl products. So I did some research, and Evolve is a brand that I was immediately drawn to. They have a rating of 0 on Think Dirty, which is obviously the lowest rating you can have. All of their products are verified, organic ingredients, plant derived, free of all synthetic dyes, fragrances, no parabens, no silicones, PGZA, artificial dyes, cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, just everything that you would want to be putting in your hair, and free of everything that you don't want to have in your hair. So I just got out of the shower right now. My hair is wet, and I just wanted to show you how I've been styling my hair using their products. So what I'm going to start with is their Smart Curl Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to just, my hair is already parted the way that I part it, and I'm going to just spray this all over my hair. And as I'm spraying it, I'm also like just pulling it through. And this is a really great product. Like, I really like how easy it was to detangle my hair, and I like that it leaves in some conditioning properties for my hair, because you know, curly girls, we need that conditioner in our hair. So if you can see right here, and then I'm going to just go ahead and do it on the other side too. I was so happy when this brand agreed to send me a bunch of products from them. I explained to them what I was dealing with from Devacurl, and they were super generous and really sweet. So, really grateful. So, just gonna be pulling this through my hair. Ignore those gray hairs. See? Super easy to detangle. And like I said, I like that it does a leave-in. So in the shower, I use their shampoo and their conditioner, and I push the conditioner into my hair, and I let it soak for about like 5 minutes just to make it use it more as like a leave-in in the shower, which felt amazing on my hair. So as you can see, it's all worked in like so. And next we're going to be using their Wonder Balm right here. So for anybody who used Devacurl, I would say this is comparison to like any of their light defining gels. It's a really nice product. It feels like really good in your hair. So it says to start with 1 pump in wet or dry hair, roots to ends, and add more product as desired. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just part my hair in the middle from the back. And I'm gonna take, this is how much I used last time, just like 2 big globs of it. And I'm gonna go ahead from roots to ends, putting that in my hair. You hear Zai outside? He's playing with his daddy. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do on the other side. And I really like to like get my hands all covered with the product. And my hair like received these products really well, like really conditioning and hydrating. The first time I washed my hair, I felt like it could have been a little more hydrating, but what I did today, using the conditioner more as like a leave-in in the shower, really made a difference for me. Okay, so I have that done. And now I'm going to take their defining cream, which is amazing. I love this. Apply to damp hair from roots to ends and use fingers to create desired curl or wave pattern. Let air dry. So I normally air dry my hair. Take all this, but when I was using Devacurl, I was having to kind of like diffuse my hair a lot more than I wanted to really get any kind of like definition and volume. And that's when I was like, okay, this is weird. Like I shouldn't have to always diffuse my hair to get volume. So I literally let my hair air dry with this, and my hair looked amazing. To the point where like my fiance even noticed like that my curls look different. So when your husband, boyfriend, partner starts to notice your hair looks different, that's when you know you found a good product. So I'm definitely really happy with this brand, and I really recommend these for anybody who is just looking to transition to non-toxic curly hair care. This is a great brand to work with. Okay, so what I've been doing is I have actually been curling parts of my hair just because some of my definition is a little bit gone. So I've just been curling the ones like in the front. So just kind of go through, and you can do this if you want to for your hair for definition, extra definition, or just let it do its thing. But like I said, I've lost a little bit of definition, so this has been making me feel more confident and comfortable with my hair. So do what works for you. Okay, literally just like that. And then I'm just gonna scrunch. And you can already see like that healthy definition. I'm really happy with it, and I really love it. And just I can't wait till you see when it air dries, because it is like so soft and touchable, and it just made me feel really happy. Like my curls were back. But like I said, look at this definition right here. So great. Love it. So stay tuned to see how it looks all dried and ready to be out. Okay, guys. Hey guys, so I just wanted to really quickly show you how my hair looks once it dries. Say hi, Zai. Hi. He just learned how to wave, so he's super excited. Yeah, hi. So this is how my curls are looking right now. To me, this looks so much better than it used to. There was like a lot of lack of definition with my curls, and right now I'm loving like the definition that I'm having, and the volume and bounce that my hair has. It looks a little dry right now because I was walking around outside. It was really windy and stuff. But yeah, to me, this looks so good. Like my curls are starting to look like my curls again, like forming more tighter ringlets, and just like overall just looking and feeling healthier. My fiance was talking about how my curls look better, so that made me feel really good. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the final result of what it looks like using the products that I've started to use after the whole Devacurl issue. I'm gonna keep using these and do like another update video. They've sent me a few other products to try out that I'm excited about, like some deep conditioning stuff that I feel like will help with the dryness issues that I'm having that are also from the Devacurl damage. But yeah, anybody looking to switch up their products for like non-toxic curly hair products, I definitely recommend these products that I've been using. I was sent these products, but I wasn't paid to talk about them in any kind of way. This is my actual 100% personal opinion on them, so I'm happy with them. But yeah, say bye, Zai. Say see you in the next video. Yes, bye.